Another amazing meal here on Virgin Voyages. Oh my goodness, we're at Extra Virgin tonight and we're celebrating someone's birthday, and the food so far is amazing. They've done an excellent job accommodating our group. Let me show you the food right after this.
Hello fellow travelers!
Hello!
It's Neil here.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is To Travel and Tour.
Let's get started with the starters. They pretty much brought everything for us. I mean, we have carpaccio, we have a cheese plate, we have fried artichokes, and look at this. Liver mousse pate. I said I was interested and they brought it. Isn't that amazing? So there's something for everyone on the whole table.
Well, if you're starving here, there's something you're not doing right. So we just feasted on those appetizers, which was really good, but Kimberly, what we got now?
Oh my goodness. This is the gnocchi and it has truffles and it has a white sauce, and I started eating it before we could start filming it because it is that absolutely amazing. It is homemade, they are light, they are just fantastic.
As for me, I got some good old pasta and meatballs here. I've been told the meatballs do contain cheese, so I will have to forfeit those, but that still leaves me with the pasta, so let's see what that's like. Well, it's at least served warm, I'll say that.
You're gonna eat spaghetti. Yeah. You can't.
It doesn't spin. Not a spinner.
Pasta's good.
You like it?
It's alright.
He doesn't seem excited about it like I am.
She's not wrong.
Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna try the sea bass. And it looks fantastic. Everyone at the table says it's really good. And it's, ooh.
Eat the skin, it's really good.
Oh, I will. Let's taste it. Perfect. Very good.
And look at that. I got exact the same main course as Kimberly did, which is rare. So honestly, I wasn't really thrilled with the fact that my meatballs for some reason had to contain cheese. But luckily there's still my sea bass here. So let's have a look, see what this is about. Oh yeah, much better. Yeah, I'll enjoy this for sure. Desserts here at the Extra Virgin restaurant are made on the spot, as you can see. Looks like you got yourself a sorbet, Kimberly.
Yes, I did. I went for something light because I am so stuffed.
What kind of flavor is this supposed to be?
This is raspberry rose, so I'm interested. I was intrigued.
Okay.
It's very refreshing. You very much is dominant raspberry, so don't let the rose scare you. It's really good.
Now, my dessert wasn't made on the spot. However, I did pick something that may seem odd at first. It's called a chocolate olive oil cake. I usually wouldn't put chocolate and olive oil together on the same plate, so I wonder what's up with that.
I think it looks good.
Only one way to find out.
Yeah.
So, here we go.
That one like something else.
Now this is strange. For some reason, it is called chocolate olive oil cake, but what I am tasting is freaking marzipan. There's like a hint.
Give me the cake.
Here we go.
Give me the cake.
And this is
There's
where I lost my
marzipan
dessert.
involved.
This is how I lose my
God,
dessert.
I know how she feels about marzipan.
I mentioned the word marzipan and it's like a trigger word.
Yeah, it is.
So, there goes my dessert. Kimberly seems kind of curious. What are you trying to find on that plate here?
Oh my God, I do taste. It does taste like marzipan.
What I tell you?
You're
It's the
not
weirdest
wrong.
thing.
It's really good.
You also seem to like. What is it? Is that the pear part?
No, this is ice cream of some sort.
Oh, just ice cream?
Yeah, this is.
Then that must be the pear.
Yeah, this is the. I would not be complete unless I tasted this too.
Well, of course. Well, this is how the presentation
Got ruined.
got ruined.
Add in a snort.
Oh my God, what do you taste?
Kimberly seems convinced that I'm going to like this part too.
Oh my gosh, it's so
Let's
good.
find out.
This is gonna be a huge hit.
Yeah, it's a huge hit.
Yeah, you don't get a raised eye like that out of Neil very often.
No, that's very much my cup of tea.
We had an amazing evening here on Virgin Voyages at the Extra Virgin, the Italian restaurant, which is amazing. And I'll tell you what, the food on Virgin is fabulous. And I can't wait to show all of the restaurants to you. So I will see you on the next vlog.